Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to ledger for carp. First, understand that ledgering is a highly effective method for targeting carp, especially larger specimens. It involves presenting your bait directly on the lake bed or riverbed, which is where carp spend a significant amount of their time foraging for food. This technique ensures your bait stays put, even in currents, and offers excellent bite indication. We'll cover everything from essential gear to casting, helping you improve your carp fishing success. For successful ledgering, you'll need specific gear. Start with a medium to heavy carp rod, usually around 12 or 13 feet in length, offering the power to cast heavy weights and control big fish. Pair this with a robust reel featuring a smooth drag, loaded with 12 to 15-pound monofilament or braided line. Don't forget a selection of ledger weights, typically 1 to 4 ounces, to suit different water depths and currents. Setting up your ledger rig correctly is vital. Begin by threading a run ring or lead clip onto your main line, followed by a buffer bead, then tie on a strong swivel. To this swivel, attach your hook link, which should be between 6 and 12 inches long, made from a supple, strong material. Finally, tie on a sharp, robust hook, usually a size 6 to 10, depending on your chosen bait, ensuring it can handle powerful carp. Once your rig is ready, it's time to cast. Aim for features like lily pads, snags, or drop-offs where carp often feed. After casting, gently tighten your line to remove any slack, then position your bite indicator, such as a bobbin or a swing tip. Pay close attention to your indicator. Even a slight twitch can signal a bite. When you see a clear, confident take, strike firmly to ensure the hook is properly set and enjoy the fight.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.